friends, Michelle here at the intersection of pedagogy and technology, and today we're going to do another quick win using ChatGPT. What I want to talk about today is using ChatGPT to help with report card comments. My classroom reality was that I had about 350 students through my class in any given week, and writing comments on the report cards felt a little disingenuous to me. I felt like I was really generic with my comments, and by the time I was on the 54th, is an excellent student and keeps up well in class, I felt like I wanted to do better than that. But it was hard to get the specific wordings, and it was really a big cognitive load to try to bring that to bear for 350 unique students. So, how can ChatGPT help us with this? I'm not looking to have ChatGPT write my report cards for me. I need to do that. That's my job. But I am looking for some ways that I can word things, or ways I can be a little more specific to really say something that's actually worthwhile on that report card. So let's give it a try. Let's have it generate some lists of report card comments, and let's take a look with our critical teacher eyes. So let's start with organization. I want 25 report card comments for a student who's struggling with organization. Let's see what it gives. And so you can see that in my wording, this student struggles with organization. This would allow me to drill down and consider in that moment, what specifically is the problem with this student and organization? They're constructive without being critical, but give the parent a lot more information in just a few words than my remark, which would be struggles to maintain organization. This is a far better wording than what I would have come up with. So let's try another set of comments on a different topic. Let's try for a student who is excelling. And I've been broad with excelling in class. I may want to drill it down to specific subjects. I may want it to be in science class, and we'll look at that in a moment. But for now, let's see what it gives us. High level of understanding and engagement, critical thinking and problem-solving skills, quality of work, leadership qualities, group activities. This is so much better than what I had in here, sitting down with that overwhelming task of doing 350 report card comments. And it isn't necessarily that I'm going to even copy paste all of these. I mean, these are very, very good, but I can take it and then I can add to it. I'm not just left with what I can come up with at 8 o'clock at night after I've done my mom duties, I've done my teaching duties, tomorrow is planned, and now I need to get this done. I can bring in a little bit of help. Let's ask it now to be specific to math class. Excels in solving complex math problems with accuracy and efficiency. I would love to put that on a report card. I don't have to always be the ideas. I don't always have to be the wordsmith. I don't always have to rack my brains for those words that I was really trying to find. I can bring in an assistant now that can just help me brainstorm what it is I want to say. And I'm going to be honest, I would feel much more satisfied being able to put these kinds of comments out to parents. We always have a limited space, a limited number of characters. It's almost like the old Twitter used to be, when you could only use a certain number of characters. Report cards tend to be like that. And so this would allow me to do such a better job of communicating to those parents exactly what I am seeing inside the four walls of my classroom. So I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you understand how you can do this, but I hope it also helps you with maybe making your peace, a little bit anyway, with using some of these tools to just really be an assistant who digitally, who artificially intelligently sits by your side to help you, especially when you're tired. Teacher wellness matters. So I hope this helps you on your journey with your class and with your kids. Have a great day.